Mr. Stan 913 here. We're in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, and we're just going to take a walk through the town. We're checking it out, just checking out some of the shops, but we're probably in the heart of the town right now, in Ephrata. They have the rope. I just slipped there. They had their old city bank there, Ephrata National Bank. But we're going to take a walk through Ephrata and check out the town. Oh, it's another beautiful day here. This is really, really cool. I know Dorothy's probably looking for ice cream, but we're just going to walk around the town here and check out Ephrata. So we're in the middle of State Street and Main. There's some shops. We're going to just walk around, look at the shops. Had ice cream at Chilling Cookies. The ice cream was really good. So we're going to continue our walk up Main Street here. That old sign on the wall up there. And the train station's right there, their old train station. A lot of the stores are closed on Sunday here. That old house is look. Look at that hill right there. Wow. Got a church here. We have a church right there, right diagonal from each other. We ended up at the Ephrata Community Park, and there's a lot of people out. This is a walking trail, and this is some lookouts here of the river. We're going to just take a walk through this trail. They have there an amphitheater right there, and they can rent out these pavilions for parties, and up above there is their pool, which is open. So this is the trail. What river is that?
It's a creek.
Oh, it's a creek. It's flowing. Trail ends on one end, now we're going back the other end. And we'll be able to see the pool, hopefully. Beyond this baseball field, you can see the pool. The pool's open. We continue to walk this path. Turned around again. We're going to head back to the car now. This just leads to the other end, and then you just turn around and walk back.
It's probably about a mile.
Yeah. Their pool right there, and then the walking trail was down here, And this is their community pool in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. So you saw the downtown we walked through. A lot of stores were closed. And we walked to the pool here. We checked out the pool. It's pretty cool. You can go in for $7 and you have to be a member too. But if you want to go in, you go in for $7 and then they have a lot of stuff here. Ephrata, Pennsylvania. A lot of things closed on Sunday, but a lot of things to do, it looks like. So if it's your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, another town in Pennsylvania, Ephrata, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.